Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to download an amazing adult application to your Firestick. It's totally free, it does not require a registration, no need to enter your email, your phone number, and there's even no need to use a mouse toggle. So basically it's an ideal adult application which you can easily get to a Firestick or Android TV. And now without any further ado, let me show you how to get that application to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader, which you can get from the Amazon App Store or a Google Play Store, depending on what device you are using. So go to search on your device, here it is, and there in the search bar start typing Downloader. Usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see it already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that's the application which you need to install to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, we still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings, so here they are, click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and here we have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To do so, we'll have to go to About. Now, take your remote, and what you have to do is click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable AD debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here locate Downloader and make sure to turn that option on. So what this option does, it's going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not only from the official Amazon App Store or a Google Play Store. And basically that's exactly what we're going to do to download the adult app to your device. Now click on the home button on your remote and let's go to the list of applications on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And there's the downloader, which we just installed to the Firestick. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great application for Fire Sticks or Android TVs or tablets, iPads, iPhones or pretty much any other device. And they're not really expensive, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing. In the VPN app, you just select any server and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody is going to be able to track you or snoop on you online, which is extremely important if you wish to stay anonymous while using adult applications, like you are going to today. So if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out or get it, then I have great news for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing deal. So go get those 4 months for free, and then let's use Downloader safely, and of course adult apps anonymously. Now we gotta go back to the list of apps on your device, finally locate Downloader, and let's open it. Here we have to click Home on the left side menu, that's really important, so make sure to click on Home, don't stay on the browser tab. Then in that search bar we'll have to enter a code which will be 2, 8, 9, 0, and 7. So once again, your code is going to be 2, 8, 9, 0, and 7. Make sure to enter the code exactly as you see on your screen and do not make any mistakes, because if you make a mistake, the code is not going to work. And after you have entered the code, make sure to click on Go. Now, in a couple of seconds, a website is going to load for you. And here's the website. Now what you have to do is just scroll down a little bit until you see a list of categories. And here it is, and the category we're looking for is right here with that heart icon. So let's click on the heart icon, and now a huge list of applications has opened for you, and here's the one which you need to click on. You can see the name of the app on the screen. I cannot pronounce the name of the app myself because YouTube might not like it, so just take a look at the screen and make sure to click on the same application name. So here it is, let's click on it. Then if any ad opens up for you here, make sure to click on close or on X depending on what kind of ad you are seeing. Because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you, so just click on close. Now a new page has opened for you, and what you have to do here is just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see those download buttons. As you can see, there is a version for Firesticks and Android TVs, as well as a mobile versions which can be used on Android phones. We are of course looking for the Fire TV version in our case, so here is the correct button to use. But if for some reason that button does not work for you and the download is not starting, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So now let's click on download, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start for you. And here it is. Usually it's really fast, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Here click on install in the right bottom corner. Now the application is going to be installed to your Fire TV or Android TV device. And now when it's installed, I do understand your temptation to click on open, but you should not do it yet. Instead click on done, because here you'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore. So we click on delete, and then delete once again. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. Now it's loading for us, so let's scroll down. And at the bottom you'll find this new adult application which we just installed. I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case of course it's not going to be blurry. And before using the app, just don't forget to use a VPN if you want to stay anonymous and private online. You can use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, to get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free. And that's it for today, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.